oxygen belongs to. Okay, so which group does oxygen belong to? Okay, if you can pause this video for a second, go to your periodic table, and I want you to find the group in which oxygen belongs to. Right. So as you look in your periodic table, you will see that oxygen belongs to group 6. This means that it has 6 electrons in its last shell. Okay. Similarly, here there are 6 electrons in the last shell. Now, as we know, both of them are not stable chemically, so they need to share electrons. This one needs to become 8, and this one needs to become 8. What will happen is that each oxygen will share 2, okay, 2 each, 4 in total. That means this is a double bond. Okay, double bonds are formed by group 6 elements. Okay, so group 7 form a single bond, group 6 they form a double bond. Another example would be nitrogen. Right? Go to the periodic table and have a look at the group which nitrogen belongs to. Okay, you will see, if you can pause this video and have a look, what you will see that hydrogen belongs to group 5. Okay, so it has 5 electrons. It has 5 electrons in its last shell. It needs to become 8. Okay, so it needs 3 more electrons. Okay, this means each nitrogen needs to share 3 electrons. Okay, so if we count in the middle part, so here we have 1, 2, 3 from the first nitrogen, and we have 1, 2, 3 from the second nitrogen. Okay, so 3 each, 6 in total. Okay, that means when you have 3 each and it's 6 in total, we call it a triple bond. Triple covalent, we call it a triple covalent bond. Okay, in conclusion, what you need to remember, okay, it's the home crew. Okay, so the first thing that you need to remember, hydrogen and halogens, which means elements from group 7, they form 1 covalent bond or 1 single bond. Oxygen and sulfur, they are from group 6, they form 2 covalent bonds each. Okay, 1 double bond or 2 single bonds. Okay, each element in group 6 will share 2 each. It's either 1 double or 2 single bonds. Nitrogen and phosphorus, and they are in group 5, they form 3 covalent bonds, either 1 triple bond or 3 single bonds. Okay, carbon, which is in group 4, okay, they can form 4 covalent bonds or 4 single bonds or 2 double bonds. All right, these are extra information. However, what I want you to do is I want you to focus on the examples that I've given you in the PowerPoint, because these are the learning objectives that you need to know for the exam. I will put the answer sheet for the homework up. If you can all kindly have a look when you're revising, and always remember the rules that I explained in this video when you are trying to determine the number of covalent bonds or the type of covalent bonds that each element in group 5, 6, and 7 form. All right. At the end of the lesson, what I want you to do is I want you to quickly review what you had learned. If you can kindly pause the video and answer the following questions, I will give you the answers for the questions here after you do your activity. This is a form of self-assessment. You want to check what you have learned and you haven't. So pause this video, do the questions, and then check your answers next. So, atoms bond to half complete their outer shell. This is absolutely not true. Okay, it's false. Atoms want to make their outer shell full, not half complete. Okay, only non-metal atoms can form covalent bonds, and this is absolutely true. It's only ionic bonding that involves metals and non-metals. However, covalent is strictly only for non-metals. A covalent bond is a shared pair of electrons. Yes, that's absolutely true. Oxygen molecules contain a double bond. Absolutely true, because they are in group 6. Sodium chloride contains covalent bond. This is absolutely false, because sodium is actually a metal, and we know that covalent bonds involve in nonmetals only. Covalent bonds only occur in compounds. This is absolutely not true, because covalent bonds can be found in diatomic molecules such as oxygen, chlorine, fluorine, etc. Okay, so it can be O2, Cl2, F2, etc. And that's about it for covalent bonding. I hope this PowerPoint presentation cleared up some misconceptions. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me.